Right, so the great thing about this tape is it's another modality that you can use in your toolbox. Okay, so if you're a dry needler, let's say you treat trigger points, you do some cupping, then obviously taping is also going to be one of those modalities that you can end with. So obviously if you've got someone coming in with a condition, whether it be shoulder, whether it be knee, whether it be leg and foot, there'll be a big part of that. Obviously you'll be treating the trigger points, you'll be doing all your passive release techniques, no doubt about it. You could even needle the area, maybe some vacuum cupping. And the beauty of using the tape is this will be the last part of your treatment protocol. So you can add the tape in so that then when your clients go home, they're actually still being treated. That's what it's designed for. Okay, the tape itself is designed to be worn from anywhere 3 to 5 days. I've had clients wear it for 7 days, so it really depends on the athlete or the client that's wearing it. It most definitely can be worn in the shower as well, is another question that I get a lot of. So if you do need to shower with it on, not a problem whatsoever. Obviously you just don't want to scrub it, and you may need to use a hairdryer just to basically dry it after the shower. The beauty of that tape, as I said, is that you will wear it 3 to 5 days. Whilst it's on, it's actually working on the area, so it's offloading it. Okay, so it is the value add treatment protocol that you can add to your existing treatment toolbox, as I said. So really, really important, very valuable. If you're working with athletes, then a lot of these athletes will definitely be wearing this. You've probably already seen it in the CrossFit arenas, you've seen it at the Olympics, you've seen it obviously in tennis, you've seen it in soccer, and you've seen it in rugby. So most of the sports, if not all of the contact sports and all the endurance sports, are all wearing this type of tape. And there's a reason for it as well, because it helps offload. It doesn't stop injuries, so don't think that that's what it is. It helps provide an environment for healing, like everything that we do in terms of whether it be needling, whether it be cupping, or whatever the case may be. And once again, enjoy using the product, enjoy using this newfound toolbox modality, and as I said, we look forward to hearing any feedback that you have.